Hey guys, this is an installation I've just completed using a Tuff Touring roof rack kit and a Tuff Trek Mark III roof tent. This is a load-bearing tent, a new one in Australia. Very slim line, 260mm thick at the back, 190mm thick at the front. So it's a wedge shape. It's a load-bearing tent. What's really cool about this tent is the east-west construction of the crossbars underneath and on top. Essentially, it is a roof rack itself, which means that we can fit Tuff Touring fitting rails directly to the tent and eliminate the need for a basket or any crossbars or cross bracing, as it has them already built into the tent. So essentially, this is a roof rack and a tent. It also is removable. All the bolts are accessible just here. 1, 2, 3. There's bolts all the way along, probably a lot more. For reference, I've included a picture here of a standard 300mm roof tent next to the 100 series with the Tuff Trek tent to show the height difference. The Tuff Trek tent also comes with the awning mounts, and I've fitted a Bush Company XT270 to this one, which did pose a few little issues, but we got it on in the end. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.